For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US Vice President Mike Pence will address the US-India summit ahead of US presidential election. The virtual US-India summit is organized by the US-India Strategic Partnership Forum. The US-India virtual summit is called as US-India Week, Navigating New Challenges. The US-India virtual summit will be held from August 31st to September 3rd. Prominent personalities from India and the US are expected to address the summit. Political, business leaders and diplomats will participate in the week-long conversation. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal will address the summit. India's ambassador to the US, Taranjeet Singh Sandhu, will be one of the speakers. Kenneth Juster, the US ambassador to India, will also address the virtual summit. The leaders will speak on India-US economic cooperation, strategic relationship, investments, and business opportunities. Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant and Ayushman Bharat CEO Dr. Indu Bhushan will also take part. Telangana Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development K.T. Rama Rao will also speak in the summit. US-India Strategic Partnership Forum President Mukesh Aghi has expressed happiness over Mike Pence's participation.
US Vice President Mike Pence's participation in the US-India summit indicates an exceptional instance of the deepening commitment of the US administration towards India and the Indo-Pacific region.
The India-US strategic relationship is growing stronger amid tensions with China. The United States has condemned China over its aggressive action against India at Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh.
A lot is riding on the success and vitality of the US-India bilateral relationship at this time of tremendous geo-economic and geopolitical disruption in the world. The US-India collaboration in the future areas including biosecurity, 5G network, artificial intelligence and startups would be discussed in the US-India summit.
The summit will also discuss trade, investment, global supply chains, gas and energy ties. India and the US is yet to conclude the mini-trade deal. The US-India summit is expected to provide the platform to explore the possibilities of further cooperation and partnership in many areas. All eyes are on Vice President Mike Pence's address and his articulation on growing India-US partnership.